Gute Woche. Motto Shabbos a skill of Geld. A Geldmasse. Joseph Danitti is a Geldmasse. Let me tell you why. Hundreds of people thank me for showing them. Get my kick. I got so much feedback since I made the video last year that this store is, the shoes are out of the world. I'll show you in a minute the shoes. In the Geldmasse, look at the shoes over here. Beautiful, stunning shoes. These shoes are $100. $100 per sheikh. You can't get this anywhere. So literally, come to Aran, it's a Geldmasse. You save yourself $100 to $100. Well, guys, sit off store's hand. A pair of shoes cost you about $200 to some shoes even more, $300. Do a normale per sheikh is $100 cash. Credit card ochit. Ja, laat me zien doen. Ja, met hem do credit card ochit. So, since I posted it last year, I got so much feedback. Chaim, thank you for posting it. I took 5 kids over here, and we saved $500. Jetzt, du somebody some 5 towns, Flatbush. We got you covered also. That's something beautiful. They have Zydis. Every clientele, they have covered. Gur Yiddish, Gur Litvish, Yekish, Madin. They have this shoe for the old-timers. So the sheikh had the Belzian galat. Was gerne schwarze Socken, aber nicht kein halber sheikh Shabbos. So they have this beautiful shoe. Gorgeous shoe, Chevre. Stunning for $100. Okay, noch dem do the buckle shoes. Noch dem do for the papa with halber sheikh. For the Bucherim was gerne schwarze Socken, was du darüber geißen. Noch dem do the ganze sheikh, was du darüber nicht geißen gerne schwarze Socken. They have for them too covered. So that they have for everybody, and don't forget, for kids also. So a ganze beautiful, große kids section. With loafers, with alle styles, alle designs. Gorgeous hood over here. Let me show you more. Pitsy kids over here. Bucherim. Wow. No crampiness, it's just big. We have good salespeople over here. Place to sit, place to stand, place to look around. To do nachshich. So let's go over one more time. See the Schlitter every type of shoe you have over here. You save $100 flat. If you don't save $100, call me up. I'll pay you the rest. Without a question, it's $100 off. From a typical store, don't call me Chevron. Don't call me. I meant it for a joke. But yeah, $100 off. Most shoes. The shoes are $100 cheaper than most stores. Noch a beautiful zach is they have all styles. The third beautiful thing is that it's late hours. The store's open Wednesdays between 8 and 10 when the Buchim come home from Yeshiva. The Buchim could come here Wednesday evenings. It's open for you. Now, a very exciting contest for kids. For Buchim and Tatas Ochid, but let me show you this contest over here. It's called a card contest. Special now till Pesach. They're having a contest with cards. They have all different type of cards which talk about different shoes. Nice. Within Gedolim cards, a similar situation over here. You just walk into the store, automatically you get 2 cards. Okay, now you can't walk in 5 times a day, you can walk in 3 times a week, get 2 cards. You buy a pair of shoes, you get 3 cards. So right now you have 5 cards already. You walk in, get 2. Buy, get 3 more. So you can have 5 cards. Have the store owner told me I just made a mistake. Cut. I'm gonna leave this in, but you walk in, you get 2, you buy a pair of shoes, you get 5. So you have 7 already. You have 7 shoes, 7 cards from just buying 1 pair of shoes. You come with your brother, he gets another 7. When you have 18 cards, okay, when you have 18 cards, it's a set, so you have to exchange it with your friends. The whole chayla comes, each one switches in the class with his friends. You win $1,000 cash. I'm going to zoom in over here. $1,000 cash could be yours from just walking in. I feel the cost nicht. I've alle also kaufen, but I feel the cost nicht. Kannst du machen $1,000 cash. Now I'm doing a special promotion for Perlowitz followers. Schick me a WhatsApp of your receipt you get. Okay. Send me a WhatsApp of your receipt when you come to buy Joseph Danitti, and I'm going to put you in a raffle to get the shoes for your whole family free. Okay? So check me out WhatsApp the receipt when you come to buy a pair of shoes to my phone number 347-563-5219, and you could win a whole family shoe spring. From Bucherim to kids, the whole thing is all yours, Chevra. Shine and laces for the kinder. This will all be free. Send me in the receipt. We're going to make the goydel on Rosh Chodesh Nissen. So you have about a week and a half to go by. Send the receipt and you could win free shoes here for your whole family. Chavre, the address is again 3911 13th Avenue across Certo, the grocery Certo, right over here. Joseph Danitti, top quality shoes. It's not cheap stuff. I'm telling you that. Because I feel bad. Certain people said, Chaim, but what type of shoes is it? I'm telling you what followers of mine bought it, and they loved it. It's quality, it's geschmack, it's batam, it's comfortable. Curated Joseph Danitti, you'll thank me later.